Unmanned Underwater Vehicles. Unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, represent one of the most groundbreaking advancements in ocean exploration. These robotic vehicles can operate autonomously or under remote control, venturing into regions of the ocean that are too deep, dangerous, or inaccessible for human divers. They are revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with the underwater world. Equipped with advanced sensors, sonar, and cameras, UUVs collect valuable data from the ocean floor, map underwater terrain, and document marine life. They can reach depths of over 6,000 meters, far beyond the limits of manned submarines or divers. UUVs have discovered underwater volcanoes, hydrothermal vents, and deep-sea ecosystems teeming with life. This not only broadens our understanding of marine environments, but also helps researchers study the impacts of climate change, pollution, and other human activities on the ocean. They are essential for monitoring and protecting fragile ecosystems like coral reefs, increasingly threatened by warming oceans and pollution. In industries like oil and gas, UUVs inspect underwater pipelines, drilling rigs, and other infrastructure in deep-sea locations that would be difficult or costly to monitor otherwise. Equipped with robotic arms, they can perform maintenance, repairs, and even construction tasks with incredible precision, reducing the need for human divers in dangerous operations. UUVs also play a key role in maintaining subsea cables critical for global communications networks. As technology evolves, UUVs are becoming more advanced, with increased autonomy, speed, and durability. Swarming UUVs, where multiple vehicles work together to complete large-scale tasks, are being developed for complex operations like seabed mapping and environmental monitoring. In the defense sector, UUVs are deployed for surveillance and mine detection, enhancing naval capabilities without putting human lives at risk. Their potential to revolutionize industries, from marine science to energy and national security, is limitless.